So first we need to go under the access panel to the water pump to go ahead and turn the valves into normal mode. It's currently in the winterization mode as this camper has been winterized. So at this point, the only things we have to turn is for the water pump. We will turn this valve closed and go ahead and open this one. Now at this point, there is one new valve in the 2024 model towards the rear of the camper that we will also need to go ahead and turn to open as well. All right, in the rear access next to the water heater, there is a new valve located to the rear. Now if you look inside the access panel straight down, you will see the brass valve that is for the water heater. The valve we are looking for is further to the rear, and it is a silver valve towards the rear. We will want to reach inside and go ahead and open that. We're going to go ahead and hook a freshwater hose up to the rear city inlet. Once we have the hose secure, we can go ahead and turn the water on. While we're outside, we're going to go ahead and flush out the outside shower. Pull the hose out, go ahead and select the hot. We'll go ahead and open it up until it runs water. Once all of the antifreeze is out of the line, we can turn that one off and then go ahead and open the cold water side. And once that runs clear, we'll go ahead and turn it off as well. Now we can go inside the camper and go ahead and de-winterize the other fixtures. We're going to go ahead and open the kitchen faucet on the cold side, clear out all of the antifreeze in the plumbing lines. Once it runs clear, we can go ahead and then we're going to turn it to the hot side and do the same. Now we should be able to go into the bathroom and do the bathroom faucet and the toilet as well. So in here, we'll go ahead and open it up on the cold water side. Go ahead and let it run until it turns clear. Right. And then we'll go ahead and do the hot water side as well. Right. Now, if you have the standard toilet, we'll go ahead and de-winterize it. Just hold the foot pedal down, and we'll run this as well until it turns clear. So we're going to hook up to the freshwater inlet side to go ahead and run some fresh water into the tank where we had put some antifreeze in when we winterized. Now right now the tank is still open, so whatever water we put in will get flushed out and drained. At this point, all we need to do is turn the water on.